laro na to, liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino.
Second game of today. Under 21 division still. Dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL. Battle of Champions. Both teams playing for the first time today. As we are seeing Laguna taking on Boss League Bataan. Bataan wearing their blue jersey. Sila unang makakapuntos dito sa ating laro for today. Live tayo dito sa loob ng Banana Court in Laguna. In Las Piñas, I should say, as Laguna. They will have the shot there to a miss. Hindi papasok yan. Baron Mercado covering the action for this game day. That was a Paul Tivar missing on the side of Laguna. Kanila ulit ang bola. Let's see if they can make their baskets. Wearing a white and blue. Itong Laguna wearing blue and yellow. Itong Boss League Bataan. Good ball movement sana. Masyadong mataas para kay De Los Santos. Yung pasa na yon. This is our first time seeing both teams play dahil kahapon maraming under 14, under 16 teams na naglaro. Meanwhile, for our game day for today, as Daryl Santos scores that putback, 6 na under 21 games ang ating matutungayan, masusubaybayan dito sa ating Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Again, itong mga naglalaro for today, sila yung mga first runners up natin, yung mga teams as Santos knocks down another jumper. Sila yung mga koponan na nakarating sa finals pero unfortunately didn't win the championship. Pero nabibigyan ng pagkakataon dito sa Battle of Champions courtesy of Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL. Putback is in finally, putting their first points on the board. Paul Tivar getting that rescue. Daryl Santos meron ng 4 points para dito sa Bataan. Let's see if they can add more. Again, first time nating mapapanood, masusubaybayan dito sa Banana Court. Itong magkaparehong koponan as Santos having a good start. 6 points agad para dito kay Daryl Santos, fading away on that left side. Indok, they go for that ball movement. Thought about that 3-set shot is off. Santos secures that rebound. Now going to attack. Balik kay Santos. Bitin yung layup. Here's Villaruel. Balik kay Santos. And that is a beautiful 3-man weave. Finishing it off was Gilbert Gaita. Fernan Villarcuel was able to draw the defense. Santos then finding it home to Gaita. Santos with a rebound once again. Fernan Villarcuel looks for that stop and pop jumper pero meron tawag ang ating referees Bataan. Now already in double digits, 10-2 ang ating score dito. Five minutes 55 remaining. Santos sends it. First 3 of the game. In and out. Yung 3-point attempt will go out. Balik dito sa Laguna ang bola. Again, only player na naka-score sa kanila, itong si Paul Tivar. Courtesy of that cleanup mess. Getting an offensive rebound, itong si Tivar. Go for this swing action. A miss attempt. Rebound. Secured on the other side. That was Harvey Capuli getting that rebound. Be careful on that 8 seconds. At ayun na nga. Natawagan na ng 8-second violation. A solid defense para dito kay Balag. Cyrus Balag was able to cause that commotion. First 5 minutes is done. We are into the second 5 minutes. Timeout muna tayo. 10-2. Lamang pa rin ang Bataan.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko.
After that timeout, tingnan natin kung anong diskarte ang gagawin ng Laguna. Cyrus Balag and company looking to break this 3-2 zone. Implemented early. Swing it on the corner, 5 seconds to work with. Open 3 on the way. That is off the mark. Isa sa mga magandang simula, Santos. Meron na siyang 6 out of their 10 points. Para sa Boss Bataan. Again, yung under 16 nila kahapon, lost twice. Tignan natin kung maire-rest back sila ng kanilang mga kuya in the under 21. So far, looking well, looking good. Itong Bataan having an 8-point lead. Santos, a 3-ball. Can't get that roll. Though a clean look para kay Josh Tinga. On the other side, aatake ang Laguna. Draws that foul. That is Heaven Magtibay. Looking to bulldoze his way. Make a separation. .332 remaining dito sa ating opening quarter. Again, Bataan with a solid start. Heaven Magtibay in the corner, spins. Nawala ang bola on that defense. Failed to save itong si De Los Santos. Nice stop para dito sa kampo ng Bataan. So with 3:13 remaining, timeout ulit. Score hasn't moved. 6 points pa rin. Manggagaling dito kay Daryl Santos, lamang pa rin ang Boss League Bataan.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin, isang pangarap.
10-2 ang ating score. Josh Tinga missing that 3-point opportunity. Yun nga lang, masyadong madikit ang depensa ni Marvin Cuenca for Laguna Carabaos. Players from Calamba looking to make a mark here in the under 21 division. Bataan looking for their first win. Goes for that baseline drive. A jumper from the corner. Knocking it down. Our first 3-pointer of the contest. Swishing that one in. That is a Kurt Mangayaw knocking down that three. A steal on the other side. Balik sa Bataan. Santos. Mangayaw. Balik kay Daryl. Open jumper is in. Good ball movement. Unselfish play. Knocking down that jumper. 15-2. 13-point lead ang Abante. Going for that one is Cuenca. Finding no friends. Nice extra pass and that basket goes in. Rog Enoch adds these third and fourth point. The second field goal on the side of Laguna. Another three. This time, kapos na ang tira doon. Couldn't make that basket was Mangayaw. And just an easy layup finish for their 6-point. Itong Laguna, as early as now, they need to cut down the lead. They need to take control dahil pag nagsimula ng mag-init, itong Bataan, mas mahihirapan sila as that jumper will get that friendly bounce. (17-6) po ang ating score dito. Sends it on the corner. Drive, shoots, and scores. Franklin Pogoy gets that one. Stepping through for that three is Josh Tinga. Still off the mark. Goes for another push. Here is Marvin. Off that pass, looking to attempt itong si Daniel Roberto. 17-8 ang ating score. Final 44.6. Cuenca once again. Guarded here by Mangayaw. Jumper is off the mark. It was a good look para dito kay Justin Antolihaw. Basket will count. 8 points na para kay Daryl Santos. Matching the total ng Laguna dito sa ating opening quarter. Final 29 seconds to go. Santos di makakakuha ng 3-point play opportunity. Pero meron siyang 8 points as Cuenca. Guarded by Tinga. Marvin Cuenca drops it off. In and out on that basket. Just the story so far para dito sa kampo ng Laguna. Just couldn't get it. And that follow-up, no one boxing out. Kurt Mangayaw has at least 5. Pogoy missing on that 3. And because of that, 13 points ang abante ng Boss Bataan. Courtesy of 8 points galing kay Daryl Santos. Let's see in the second quarter if Laguna can slowly come back in this game.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Kabayad pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino.
Second quarter action, 13-point lead para sa Boss Bataan. Si Cruz ngayon ang may tanga ng bola. Daryl Santos with 8 points. stepping through, thought about that shot. Hindi papasok ang kanilang unang attempt so far. Bataan enjoying this 13-point lead. Ganda ng kanilang simula, 10-2 yung naging opening attack nila. Meanwhile for Laguna, only scoring 6 points. After that, 10-2 run. Meanwhile for Bataan, scored 11 on that rally as John Gregorio misses on that attempt. Hindi na ipasok ni Gilbert Gaita yung kanyang attempt there as a foul was called. Will shoot free throws right away itong si Justin Antolihaw. Kanina pa sumusubok itong si Antolihaw to enter the scoring column. Let's see if he can make it. Masyadong malakas yung kanyang unang free throw. Antolihaw misses both, gets his own rebound. Di pa rin makakuha, di pa rin makabutas itong si Antolihaw in this game. Let's see if Bataan can continue that run. Was a solid run, a solid base start para dito sa kampo ng Bataan in this under 21. Looking to create some space. It was Paul De La Cruz. Just a amazing finish. And that time, nakakuha ng unang punto si Gilbert Gaita. Pushing the lead here to 15 points. Looking to end this game as early as the first half. Pero if you are Laguna, as Cuenca and company looking to scoot one in, kailangan makabawi as Daniel Roberto. Siya naman ang masusubukan dito sa ating free throw area. Naibawi niya yung mintis ni Antolihaw kanina. Talking about Daniel Roberto. Knocks down the second one. Finally in double digits. Itong Laguna pero 13 pa rin ang kanilang hinahabol dito, 23-10. A nice steal by Antolihaw. Yun nga lang na i-dribble niya sa kanyang paa. Balik ang bola sa kampo ng Bataan. And if you are Bataan dito sa labang ito, you just need to really continue yung ginagawa mo. Having a 13-point lead, a solid start, better execution. Just continue with a smart play. I saw that play from mile away. Paul De La Cruz. Gustong-gusto niyang gawin yon. Doon pa lang sa forma ng inbound. That's your highlight of the day. Paul De La Cruz makakabawi on the other side. Itong si Jepta Vasquez. That was a smart inbound play again by Paul De La Cruz. Matatawagan ng traveling itong si Erickson Cruz naman. So usually yung ganong play ni Paul De La Cruz kanina, that's possible kapag nakatalikod yung inbounder sa'yo. And making that read as Antolihaw will overshoots this one. Solid rebound on the other side. Getting that one was Gaita. Naka-score kanina. Gilbert. Merong off-ball kiskisan na nangyari. Tatawagan ng foul, I believe. It will be on Franklin Pogoy. First foul, and that time si De La Cruz hindi na magiging successful sa kanyang inbound plays. Mendoza with a cross. Last second pass. Basket is in. Daniel Roberto. 4 points na siya dito sa ating second quarter. Gregorio. Jumper. That is in. Good look. Good swish. Gilbert Gaita. Tulad ng kanyang jersey number, meron na siyang 4 points as well. This time hitting a clean-looking jumper. Roberto, they swing it. Antolihao, di pa rin makabutas. Gregorio secures that rebound. Mendoza almost getting that steal. Cruz ang didiskarte. Jumper is in. What a shot by Cruz. Erickson Cruz joining the scoring parade para dito sa Bataan. Balik sa 15 ang kanilang kalamangan with 5:20 remaining. Shootout in the making, Jeff Tabasquez. Siya naman ang titira within that free throw area. Again, it's nice that both teams are scoring, but if you are Laguna, you need to play some defense. Risky cross-court pass, I should say, as De La Cruz, I believe, will be fouled as he will be at the line looking for his third and fourth point. Knocks down the second one para dito kay De La Cruz. Meron na siyang at least 4 points in total. Yan, naka-score ng napakagandang knockout play. He sits down, pushes the lead back to 15. Again, Laguna can have a good game but they need to score. They need to play defense. In this game, nice rescue by Laurel. Wrong hands nga lang. Gaitas turn. Stop and pop. There you go for that stop galing sa Laguna. But they need to get that ball. They need to recover quick. Talking about Laguna. 31-16 ang ating score with 4:33 remaining. Timeout brought to us by Pound Active.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to.
After that timeout, Daryl Santos scores his 10th point of the game. Offensive foul. Kitang-kita yan ng ating referees as Rog Enoch called the pushing for that last play. Not a good start for Laguna. Nagbigay ng 2 points. Committing a turnover on the other side. Will feed their big. Nice fake pass. Santos. Jumper won't fall. A chance to run once again. Mendoza drops it up and it's in. Gets that basket to go. Was a Mark Rainier Laurel. 15 pa rin ang abante. And that is this time an offensive foul, I believe, on Villa Coruel. (33-18). Laurel standing here in the corner. Referees will call a traveling bago pa ma-develop yung opensa nitong Laguna. Referees putting a stop to it. Having that last step. (33-18) ang ating score as we are into the last 3 minutes. Didiskarte sa loob. A fake, one leg fade. That is off the mark. Couldn't get his basket going itong si Kurt Mangayaw. Traveling na. Nangyari sa harap ng ating referees. Jeff Tabasquez. A lot of double thinking, overthinking on the side of Laguna. If you have that shot, just take it. Trust your teammates that it will go in, that it will get that rebound. Trust your shot that it will go in eventually. Sayang yung dukot doon on the other side. Couldn't get that one to go through. Vasquez and company. Enoch for 3. Off the mark. Solid rebound by the big man. Now gonna push the pace. Villar Cruel. Masyadong malakas ang pasa that time, ang tira that time, I should say. Couldn't get Daryl Santos his 12-point. 33-18. Once again, didiskarte ang Bataan. Sends it in the corner. What a move by Kurt. Make it so and one. Kurt Ivan mangahaw. Mangayaw. Hindi mangangayaw dun sa play na yon. What a move, what a scoop by Kurt Ivan Mangayaw. Misses on the first. Sa mga nagtatanong kung meron bang under 13 dito sa ating game for today, wala po. Under 14 meron mamaya. Meron tayong mga under 14 games. Laurel was asking for a foul on that contest by Daryl Santos na nangyari lang dito sa ating harapan. 15-point lead. Umangat na sa 17, 35-18. A minute 25. Lamang pa rin ang Bataan.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin.
Quick timeout, quick break. We are back in action. Still, hinahanap pa rin ng Laguna yung magwo-work for them in this game. What a Pinoy step. Now you see him. Now you don't. Daniel Roberto. 6 points in this quarter. He has been Laguna's leader in the second quarter as we are nearing the end of the first half, and a steal on the other side. 2-on-1 break, one hand floater goes in. Cyrus Balag enters the scoring column. 17-point lead, 13 na lang in this game. Looking for back-to-back stops. Nice pass, Kurt Mangayaw once again. Kurt Ivan Mangayaw and itong si Santos doing a double damage para dito sa Bataan. Sends it out for a jumper. Roberto missing. Putting back is good for Paul Tivar. 4 points para ay Paul Tivar. Him tsaka itong si Roberto combining for 10 points. Looking for that angle on that layup was Balag. Tivar once again passes it to the wrong person. 3 seconds to go. Easiest 2 points of the day. Bataan ending this one the way we started our second quarter. 15-point advantage pa rin. 39-24. Halftime score. Magbabalik tayo courtesy of Domodomos. Slurp, enjoy, and smile.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. kabayad pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga, nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob. MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Third quarter action. Nagbabalik tayo dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Live tayo dito sa loob ng Banana Court in Las Piñas. Baron Mercado covering the action. At bago tayo magsimula ng ating coverage, shoutout ko muna Ray Palmario, ang isa sa ating mga game announcers nanunood. Sana all nagpapahinga. Pero enjoy watching pare koy sa Bataan. Up here by 11 points. Laguna susubukang makabawi at makadikit dito sa ating laro. A strong rebound. On the other side, looking to make consecutive baskets. Laurel knocks it down. Knocks down the 3. 8 na lang ang hinahabol ng Laguna, as high as 17 points. Off fresh doon sa kanilang halftime break. Sasabihin ko sana mas active sila, mas maganda ang kanilang movements. But continuing to pour down the points, Daryl Santos meron ng 12. Another 3-pointer drops. I believe that was Tivar knocking down the 3-pointer. 7 na lang ang inaabol ng Laguna dito. Villacruel passes it inside. Masyadong masikip. Stepping out of bounds na. Medyo natrap si Harvey Capuli on that corner, on that baseline I should say. Wasn't able to make a way. Referees again calling stepping on the line was Josh Tinga. Yang baseline na yan, that sideline I should say, masyadong masikip dito sa Banana Court. So gonna take a look, second, third look, para makakuha kayo ng mas magandang pwesto. And just driving it all the way, Erickson Cruz putting the first point, second, or make it the 6th point or 4th point para dito sa Bataan. Show and go, hindi papasok, pero merong foul na itatawag para dito sa kampo ng Laguna. Daniel Roberto ang hero of Laguna on that second quarter. 6 points si Roberto. Tignan natin kung makakadagdag pa siya ng mas marami pang puntos, knocking down the first one. Missing on the second, will get another rebound. Itong kampo ng Laguna. Tivar got his pocket picked I should say by Josh Tinga. Balik ang bola dito sa Bataan, dodging a bullet. Could have been a made basket para dito sa kampo ng Bataan, or ng Laguna I should say. Bataan very lucky on that last play. Tinga looking for some friends, some help. Balik ang bola dito sa Bataan, just beside Sir Wendell, Madam MC, and Miss Chi Ocampo. Of course, everyone here in the men and women behind Junior MPBL witnessing the Battle of Champions. A 3 by Laurel. That time masyadong minadali ni Laurel yung kanyang 3-point attempt, causing a miss. Santos has 12 points. Goes for his 14-point jumper, is good. Daryl Santos pushes the lead to 11 points. 8 points yan kanina on the first half of action, or first quarter I should say. Ngayon meron na siyang 14. Clean looking jumper to answer Cyrus Balag this time. Meron na siyang 4 points at least. 5:48 remaining. Both teams going at it. Naibaba na ng Laguna to as low as 7. Let's see if they can continue to make it work. Laurel, nice pass, finishing it off. Cyrus Balag, make it back to back para kay Balag. 6 na lang. 45-39 ang ating score. Officially 49-35. Make it 47-39 ang ating score. 16 points for Daryl Santos. Magtibay will use this one. No look pass on that baseline. Too deep. Magtibay didn't shoot that 3. Decides to go for that floater. Put back is in. Good positioning. Daniel Roberto once again. The ever consistent Kalamba Carabao. Itong si Daniel Roberto. Timeout ang Bataan. Kanilang kalamangan, 6 na lang.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan.
Cruz and company looking to keep Laguna away. Lumalapit na ang Laguna Kalamba Carabaos dito sa ating second game of 10. Marami tayong basketball na panonoorin, marami tayong basketball na aabangan. So far, this is one of our closest games. Let's see if Bataan can keep them at bay. Villacruel misses on that floater. Masyadong masikip. Good defense by Laguna. On the other side, Antoliao. Siya naman ang susubok at the free throw area. Again, I love how aggressive Antoliao is all throughout the game. Itong si Justin Antoliao. Pero so far, cannot get his rhythm, cannot get his baskets this time. He secures a free throw number 1. Knocking down both free throws this time. 2 out of 4 para dito kay Antoliao. 4 na lang ang kalamangan dito ng Bataan. Laguna making a run this time. Again, just a reminder to everyone, 17 points po ang pinakamalaking kalamangan ng Bataan way back in the first half. Laguna is now able to cut it to 4. Villacruel, three-pointer was off to the right. Cuenca looking to bulldoze his way in. The point guard for Laguna. A 3 by Enoch. Got it! Cuts the lead to 1. Laguna, inuunti-unti ang Boss League Bataan. A stop is needed. Cuenca fakes, turns, shoots, misses on that attempt. Antoliao this time, open lane for the lead, not yet. But a good sign for Laguna. Nakakuha na sila ng kanilang momentum dito. They have set in to this comeback. Villacruel attacks, misses. Putback won't fall. Bola mapupunta. Guys wearing white. A chance for Laguna to take the lead for the first time. Gregorio turns that ball away. Mangayaw attacks, misses on that one. Offensive board finally ends the bleeding. Kurt Mangayaw. Timely basket right there. 2:15 remaining. 49 to 46. Naibaba ng Laguna to only 1 for the tie. De Los Santos won't fall. Gonna rescue this one, Cuenca. Aatake with 9 seconds to go for the tie. One more time. That is off. Gets that rebound is Daryl Santos. Has at least 16 points in this game. Quick trigger. Mangaya with a miss. Cuenca on that board. Sees 3 defenders. Di magmamadali. Decides to pass it to Justin. Antoliao gives it inside. A better defense on the side of Bataan. Here's Villacruel. Antoliao tatawagan ng foul. What a third quarter para dito sa Laguna. (39-24). I believe yun ang ating simula ng ating second half of action, end of the second quarter. Ngayon, 3 na lamang. Naidikit ng Laguna sa isa. But they need to play defense from now on. Mangayaw couldn't hit that big shot. De Los Santos secures that rebound. A minute remaining. Laguna looking for a strong end of the third. Just couldn't hit that 3. Hindi maitabla. Bataan, yung kanilang opensa, that is just cold so far. They need Daryl Santos to make it work. Villacruel attacks, Soviet. Mangayaw can't hit that basket. What a struggle. Cuts the lead to 1 off that break. Getting that layup to go, Franklin Pogoy. 20 seconds remaining. 48-49. Villacruel, hounded by Mendoza, shoots it off to the right. It is recovered on the baseline. Mangayaw stepping on the line. 7.1 seconds. May pagkakataon ang Laguna to take the lead back. Outlet pass was read. Villacruel beating the buzzer for a 3. That is off. And this sets up an interesting fourth quarter once again. 49-48, down by 17. Laguna only down by 1. Tignan natin anong mangyayari sa ating fourth quarter action. Courtesy of Domo Domo, Slurp, Enjoy, and Smile.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga, nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to.
Fourth quarter action. Boss Bataan, Kalamba, Carabaos, Bataan versus Laguna. Under 21 Battle of Champions. Baron Mercado covering the action inside Banana Court. Laguna looking for their first taste of the lead. Ito na ba yun? On that pass, that fake, and it's in. Daniel Roberto gives them the lead. Down by 17, 50-49. What a turnaround by the Carabaos. Mendoza forced the turnover. What a start for Laguna. Getting us pumped up here inside Banana Court. Another jumper, Roberto won't fall. Antoliao di makakakuha ng rebound. Gaita medyo nanahimik on that third quarter. Maybe still finding his groove. Sending it out. A big shot. De La Cruz knocks it down. Paul De La Cruz knocking down that three. Gives the lead back. Antoliao once again. Swing action to get the lead back. Tivar, put back is good. Has 7 points at least itong si Paul Tivar in this contest. 52 all. Laguna, Bataan in a good contest. Villa Cruel throws it to no one. $52 all. Laguna had a taste of the lead earlier. 50-49. Tignan natin kung madadagdagan dito. That's their largest lead of the game at 1. Their first taste of the lead, I should say, as well. $7:33 remaining dito sa ating fourth quarter. Laguna showing heart dito. Here's Balag. Cyrus almost losing the handle, and he does eventually. Forward pass, it is last touch ni Paul Tivar. $7:09 remaining dito sa ating fourth quarter action. Let's see what will happen. A big shot. It's in. Gets that big three-pointer. Daryl Santos has 19. 55-52. Bataan not letting up of that lead. Big defensive stop from the guys wearing blue. 19 points for Santos. Cainta will not lose. He will eventually lose it on the run, on the drive. Hits the front rim and out. Pero ang bola babalik dito sa Laguna. So far, a back and forth action between Bataan and Laguna. Again, Laguna taking the lead for the first time, 50-49. Ever since, palitan na lang ng kalamangan. If you're Laguna, keep this game close. If you're Bataan, run away as fast as you can. Tivar will send it out here with 6 minutes to go. Timeout muna dito ang Laguna, I believe, brought to us by Pound Active.
Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa ikaw.
Quick trigger for that three-pointer after that timeout. A miss for Laguna. Daryl Santos and Bataan looking to make some room. They give it to Daryl. Santos, jumper won't fall. Enoch secures that rebound. Was not ready, was Tivar on that pass. Balag. Tivar for three. Kaboom! Tied at 55. What a ball game we're having. Pangalawa pa lamang to sa 10 i-cover natin. Gaita misses. A foul downstairs. Bola pa rin. Mapupunta dito sa Bataan. Boltivar has hit big shots para dito sa Laguna. That's his second three. Traveling call on Santos. A chance one more time for Laguna. .440 remaining. Can Laguna complete the comeback or will Bataan make one more stop? Masyadong malalim yung dukot. Good defense by the guys wearing blue. Boss League Bataan having the possession once again. Kainta. They send it to the big. Balik dito kay Santos. 11 seconds to work with. Three-pointer wouldn't go in. Merong foul na itatawag off ball. Gonna determine who it is. But it is, I believe, still Bataan ball. .55 all. 4 minutes 8 remaining. Quick jumper by De La Cruz. Paul De La Cruz has also hit some big shots for Laguna. Tivar for the lead. That is off. Santos will have the ball once again. 57 to 55. Goes for the spin. Shoots. Will be at the line. What a game for both teams. Parehong nakakagawa ng mga importanteng baskets. Parehong nakakagawa ng magagandang stop. But let's see who will have their first victory here. Bataan with a 2-point lead. Make it 3 after that free throw. .58 to 55. A stop by Santos. Referees. Ito itong si Santos. Or I should say Santos thought it was a last touch by Laguna. Let's see if they can regain this possession. 3 puntos ang kanilang hinahabol. Muntik lang mawala on Balag side. Cyrus. Didiskarte on the other side. Tivar. Muntik nang mawala ang bola on that catch. A bit too aggressive. 58 to 55. Again on the attack. Enoch, jumper is good. (58-57). Kainta, 4-3. Kaboom! Another bomb! Pushes the lead to 4. 61 to 57. 2 minutes 18 and a response wouldn't happen on the side of Laguna. Nearing the last 2 minutes. Isa pa, three-pointer. Why not? Why not? Back-to-back big threes. A backbreaker of a shot. That is big. Timeout is called nearing the last 2 minutes. Laguna may be sensing trouble.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na
Those are backbreaker threes. Back-to-back was made on that last attempt. Last 2 minutes tayo dito as Pogoy will be at the line. Susubok makabawi on the free throw area. But tulad ng sabi ko, that could be a backbreaker. Those back-to-back threes. Kanta maybe sings that farewell song. 64 to 58. Kanta sends it in the corner. Let's see if babalik sa kanya. Here's Santos on the attack. De La Cruz, 3. Too strong. Kanta with a big rebound. Looking to swing. Another 3. Oh! 3 straight 3-pointers. Kanta is on fire in the fourth. A minute 15. Pamatay sunog. But maybe, just maybe, the fire is just too much. (67 to 60). 3 straight 3-pointers for Kanta. Make it 4. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! I'm speechless. Kanta, 4 made threes. Timeout tayo.
liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin.
Chloe Kanta has been possessed in this fourth quarter. Oh my goodness, this player just caught on fire. Just when Laguna had a step in this game, He hit some big shots. 4 consecutive. On the other side, Laguna. They will not get a shot off.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Kabayad pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino.
After that miss by Laguna, Bataan Boss League. After that MIG, I should say, finally making something itong Laguna. Before that, Chloe Canta take over, taking center stage, composing the final notes of this game. Chloe Canta and the Boss League Bataan will look to write the last note. 19.8 seconds remaining. I mean, of course, all throughout the game, para dito sa Bataan, itong si Daryl Santos has been really the man for them. He has at least, 16, 18 points already, approaching 20. But on that last few possessions, para dito sa Bataan, specifically, 4 straight make threes. That is just unheard of. As impressive Santos is, during the closing moments, it is Canta enabling El Fuego on that last few possessions. Meanwhile, Laguna, di pa rin sila tapos dito, only down by 7. 12.4 seconds remaining. These teams just playing for some quotient as Santos was turned away. Final 6 to go. Cuenca for 3. That is off the mark. Putback is good. 1.8 seconds remaining. And they will give it here, of course, to the hero of this game for Bataan, Chloe Canta. Went El Fuego. He was unconscious, saving the victory, preventing Laguna to make a run. 71-66. I got so pumped up after that game. What's more to come? Abangan natin. Second game is done. Congratulations to Bataan. Laguna will drop their game. Third game coming up.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Kabayad pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to,